Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to some more new video here on the Sab Crazy YouTube channel. I've gotten a report that there's a motorcyclist down in my neighborhood, so I'm on my way to go check it out. See what I can find. And we are recording. This in front of me looks like a police motorcycle hauler. Maybe they're impounding or taking over the bike, something. Oh, we even got news crews down here.
Just do the pictures later. Just make a U-turn.
Thank you. You don't tell me what to do. Thank you. Just make a U-turn. Oh, damn. Cop bike. Shit. An officer went down or what?
Yeah, he was coming in pretty. I heard about what I heard of the custodian here. He said that he goes here by quick to go to work.
Yeah.
He was passing by, cutting lanes, and then he got hit.
Got clipped? Yeah.
So he went pretty bad.
On a cop bike?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's right there.
Yeah, it's down, and then there's another one right next to it, but that one's up.
That one's up. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's only one officer that went down.
Okay, for sure. Oh yeah, there's a.
It's gonna be close to like noon probably.
Cause they gotta investigate everything, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's gonna come pick it up. Likely. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, my wife was trying to go to work right now, and she's like, "Hey, there's an accident. I think it's a bike down." And I'm like, "Shit, I gotta go check it out," cause I just live right here. So, nah, I'm just, as a biker, you worry about your homies. Cops or not, we're all in it together. So, that shit sucks. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and look on the news now and see what, cause obviously, yeah, they'll.
Earlier, they're like, we're
With the helicopters? Yeah. Fuck, man. No bueno. Well, keep up the good work, man. Yeah, stay safe, bud. Thank you. His helmet is all the way over there. Oh, and a car. Oh my goodness. Damn, and they just have it shut off there. Oh, and on the other side of the bridge. That's a headlight. That's not his helmet. How's the car there and the bike there? That big truck ain't gonna be able to get nowhere. Damn. What is this, Noble Middle School? You all right? Okay. Hey, boss, is that gate open or no? Because if he could back in there, he can get out quicker. Oh, yeah, for sure. You're just helping out. I feel you. Yep. Yep. You're good. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Now back the other way. Perfect. Yep. Follow it around. Yep, for sure. He made it. Oh, he's so close. Yeah, he's good now. Huh? How you doing? Doing all right. What time did it happen?
I'm not sure. I just got the call about 30 minutes ago.
Okay.
If it was prior to that.
Yeah, because I looked on Google Maps. It said reported road closed 45 minutes ago, like 10 minutes ago. So maybe an hour?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Thanks, man.
You're welcome. Be safe, sir.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. Hey, do you know what time it happened? No way, that early? Shit. All right. Have a good one, man.